Hello and welcome to this little video I've made. 7 top things for Black Friday, Cyber Monday weekend to be thinking about. Obviously 7 is not the biggest number. There is plenty of other stuff. This list is not exclusive. This is just a few tips given that we are within 3 weeks of the big event and things that you could be thinking about and should be thinking about to get the best out of your digital marketing this peak period. So number 1, recap what you did last year. What are the learnings? Hopefully you wrote down what the learnings were at the time so you can just reference that. If not, have a quick look at your data. Sometimes feels like you're too busy to do it, but it's actually really incredibly valuable. What worked, what didn't work? What do you do differently this year? Number 2, promote your top products. Make sure that they're front and center in all your advertising, particularly for people that don't know your brand. If they're shopping for a loved one rather than themselves, make sure that it's really clear what the top products are, what they should consider buying, what those price points are, that kind of thing. Number 3, I call this load the bases. So make sure your audience knows that you're going to have these promotions. Make sure that you're already interacting with them, you're talking to them, you're telling them about your products. Don't just wait for that peak period. You've got to ramp up to it. Even though you might not get the returns that you want in the short term, overall as a period, you should see some really good ROI by taking this approach. Number 4, remarket hard. So when people have been to your site, most people aren't going to transact straight away. They're shopping around, they're considering their options. Make sure that they do not forget about you. So you should be doing programmatic advertising, you should be doing remarketing through social media platforms. Number 5, minimize your testing with your major channels. So with your Google ads, with your Meta ads, those kind of things, really don't want to be doing too much A/B testing, that kind of things. You should know what works now. You should know what type of headlines you need, what type of creative you need, and what resonates with your audience. And then just deliver that and just go all in on it so that all that budget is feeding the same learnings. You're not splitting those learnings into little pods that add up to less than what the total of the best option is. Number 6. Slightly opposite to number 5, but try something new. So all those core channels, yes, they're doing what you know that they should do, but if you've got a little bit of budget on the side and you want to try something new, this is a great time to try it, because if it doesn't work now, it pretty much never will. Make sure you've got data tracking so that you can work out whether it actually works or not. But yeah, try something new. And lastly, number 7, make sure you reduce that budget straight back down. You know, you've ramped it up nicely for Black Friday, Cyber Monday. Over that weekend, that demand is going to drop through the floor when that ends. Don't take all that good ROI you've got and water it down by optimistically hoping that that demand is just going to keep going, particularly if your offer's ended. But even if it hasn't, you are going to see a massive drop in traffic and demand straight afterwards. Make sure your budget aligns to that. All right, so that's just 7 tips for you. There's plenty more to think about. It's obviously not individualized to your business. If you want that individual help, if you want to know what should your business be looking at, and you need some help, there's still time. GoldLight Digital, we are still available. Check out the website if you want more information, or just contact through there as well. And we'll have a chat and see what we can do to help you. Thanks very much.